Hello friends, now I am going to show you the students of SKM Academy. They are practicing for Republic Day celebration. Due to it's we all are celebrating here a sports day on the occasion of Republic Day. So I can show you what they are practicing for. It seems they are practicing for Kabaddi. Okay. Now I will show you how they are doing practice for their Kabaddi. Okay. Let's come with me and you try to see what they are doing. Okay. They all are very happy.
Class 6, Nikhil.
This is Raj sir, you can see this. All students are sitting there and they enjoying watching the sports. This is beautiful sights you can see. You can see that all children are very happy here. They all are watching. This is nice scene. There is Kabaddi game is going on. This is the first time. This is Poonam teacher, you can see, and this is Lucky sir. That's all for today. I will meet after some time. Okay. Take care. Don't worry. Be happy. Thank you.